Okay, so we're going to solve one more compound circuit here. You notice it is a circuit. There are three pairs of parallel resistors all in a series here. So like normal, I'm going to start with redrawing the circuit. Okay, and we get to this junction 1 where it splits into two separate resistors, resistor 1 and 2, that are both 3 ohms. And then it comes back together at junction 2. At junction 3, it splits and goes through 2 more resistors, so 2 more parallel resistors, resistor 3 and 4, that are 2 ohms and 1 ohm. And then it gets to junction 4 where it joins up, goes to junction 5 where it splits again. And that's resistors 5 and 6. Oh, I'm sorry, these were 2 ohms apiece. And resistor 5 is 2 ohms and resistor 6 is 2 ohms. And it goes to the end of the battery. So all we've done is taken it and pull it apart there. And now we can start to combine. Remember, we have rules for parallel, equations for parallel, the reciprocal rule, and for series, just add them up. Well, I can see that I have resistors here, like resistor 1, 3, and 5 are in series with each other, and 2, 4, and 6 are in series. So I can go ahead and add up these 3 and these 3, and I can redraw this as a single set of parallel resistors. So this would be resistor 1, 3, 5. This would be resistor 2, 4, 6. And 3 plus 2 plus 2 is 7 ohms. And 2 plus 4, 3 plus 2 plus 2 is, what is that, 3. And 2 is 5, and 2 is 7. Did I do that right? I don't know if I can even, oh, sorry, that's a 1 ohm resistor, so that's a 6 ohm resistor. So I have, now I've gotten it down to, it's still 9 volts, but I have now a pair, a 7 ohm resistor and an 8 ohm, or a 6 ohm resistor going to the end of the battery, and now these are in parallel. So I can simply use the reciprocal rule, 1 over 7 plus 1 over 6, and then take the reciprocal of that and get 3.2 ohm resistor. So now I've taken this original circuit here, I've drawn it out in a line, I've added up my 3 in series on top, my 3 in series on the bottom, and then I've used the parallel circuits rule to figure out that it's a single 3.2 ohm resistor. And now I can get the total current is voltage over resistance, so it's 9 volts over 3.2 volts, or ohms. So this is a 2.8 amp circuit. Okay. So go ahead now and work your way back up. Take your current or voltage up to the next step and the next step, and solve for other resistors. Thank you.